Deltin Suites in Nerul. We are about 14 kilometers away from Baga Beach. This property has a lot of pool-facing rooms, which look lovely. You should definitely check it out. Hello everyone, I am in the Deltin Suite. We've been given room 235 on the third floor. Let's check it out. Oh, nice. Alright, as you can see, there's a sink for some running water. There's a nice kitchen tabletop made of granite with some burners, some kit for everyday use, some snacks, water and a tea coffee maker. On my right you can see an iron board, some pillows and a place to keep your luggage. There's a nice tabletop where you could do all your work, some paper and menu card. A nice flat screen television, and air conditioning, an amazing sofa chair, two actually, for your guests. And if you follow me in, this is the king size spread. As you can see, it looks really comfortable. And let's check out the balcony. That's a very spacious balcony, you can see, with two chairs and a table. If you want to have cigarettes or your snacks, you can sit here. The view isn't much, but really nice. Right here is the bathroom. Bathroom is really nice. It has a sink, some toiletries, a nice plant, some storage area, tissue paper, and a hair dryer. It has also got these drawers. We have the toilet, phone, and a bathroom with a shower with some towels and toiletries. That's about it. Come on out.
Hello and welcome to Chicken Yoda. As you can see, I am ordered the chicken curry with butter, chicken, rice, chicken livers, gravy, kheer, kachumber and solkat. Let's try. It's nice.
Hello everyone, another day has come to an end. We're going to just chill. I hope you had fun. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. It's been a lovely day. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.